Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Now, you're watching this video, guys, because you want to know how to get free Visa cards or free virtual credit cards in 2024. Now, this method is going to get you a Visa code that you can redeem in any Visa accepted checkout, and it's going to act as $250 balance. Alternatively, you can even just use this in any shop as long as they accept Visa. Now, this is going to give you the code, and you can see here, guys, I've been using this for the last few months, and as a result, I have received a bunch of free cash, and it's pretty easy to do. It takes a few minutes, and yeah, basically, let's speed this along. There's a bunch of money here anyway, guys, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So just make sure you follow all of the instructions. I'm going to pick up on my mobile phone. That's what you need to use as well. And follow these instructions. So let me just open up an internet browser on my phone, start recording so you can follow along right here. Okay, so go to this website. Make sure you copy it exactly how I'm going to type it here. www.topdogcodes.com. Make sure you spell it correctly. Let's sort that out. Top Dog Codes. Okay, so pause the video, copy this website down exactly how I've typed it, because you need to go to this website here. If you don't come across this web page, you've gone to the wrong site. So just make sure you do copy how I typed it. In the search bar at the top of the page, search for Visa, and this is the free Visa gift card codes page. Click on that. Scroll down. Now there is a couple of different codes that you can choose. There's a $250 free Visa account gift card code, and there is also 50% off any Visa accepted checkout. So pretty self-explanatory. You can get these codes, apply them at any checkout, and it's going to act as if you've got a virtual credit card with cash on. So click on show coupon on the one you wish. I'm going to go for the 250. And this is going to pop up here. You can see we need to unlock our code. Obviously, these codes are pretty valuable. So this just prevents people stealing every code. So tap unlock code. And this is the process that's going to allow us to get our personal Visa gift card code. Okay, now you're going to see this, which is the Visa Code Unlocker. Pretty self-explanatory, and there is a set of instructions on this page that you need to follow to get your code. So basically, guys, I'm going to cut a long story short here. We need to complete 2 tasks that you see on this page, and they're all completely free. You can see here it says free, and they range from answering questions in surveys to just downloading and completing certain levels on these free games. So you need to pick any 2 tasks that you don't mind completing. So I'm going to go ahead and choose, there's even a PayPal survey here where you need to basically answer questions. So I'm going to click on that. It says, do you use PayPal? Yes, I do. Do you plan to keep it? How many shopping under 3? And it says I need to confirm my email. So basically, I'm going to populate my correct email address into this survey. Let me go back and choose another one. There's even another survey down here, so I'm going to do that because I find them easy. Alternatively, you can even just download and play any of the free games. See ya. Let me pause the video. I'm going to complete those 2 surveys that I've got opened up, and I'll come back. Okay, guys, so that took me around 5 to 10 minutes. I just went ahead and completed those 2 tasks that you saw me open up. I know it's annoying having to do this, guys, but I think it's worth it considering we are getting $250 from this. So now I've fully completed those 2 tasks and ensured I followed the instructions below each of them. I'm going to press my tabs, and now you can see I've got this Visa Money gift cards tab down on the bottom left here. That when I open it up, it will now give me my Visa virtual credit card code that I can copy, and as I mentioned, I can apply this in any Visa accepted checkout, and it's going to act as if I've got a $250 balance on my virtual credit card. So I'm going to use this code in a minute. Obviously, these codes can only be used once. So when you get yours, keep it safe because it is pretty much $250 credit. So go to topdogcodes.com and follow these steps in this tutorial, and you can do exactly what I've been doing for the past few months. You can literally keep going back, repeating the process. Just make sure you verify each time with different tasks, and you're going to be able to get some free cash. Pretty easy. Enjoy, guys. Hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Smash that like button if you managed to get your free Visa cash, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, guys.